I'll show you how to add a link to a PDF. First, you have to open the PDF file using Microsoft Word. Open with, choose another app, Word, click on OK. Now select the text where you want to add the link. Click on Insert, Link, Insert Link. Let's say I want to link yahoo.com. Click on OK. If you are on Windows, press Ctrl plus click. And as you can see, the website opens. If you are on Mac, I believe it's the command button plus left click. Then click on File, Save As, click PDF, give it a name, Final. Click on Save. And that's it.